how to adjust saturation for camera filters on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app, and in here, make sure you select the photo tab, then tap on the control button, and then we swipe across here and tap on the filters icon. Now at the top here, select a filter, then tap on the filter itself. Then we go across and select saturation. Then at the bottom here, you can slide on the slider bar here. So swipe to the left or to the right to change the saturation. And then after that, tap on the close button. Then you can now take a picture, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.